Okay, and this one says write a quadratic inequality for the graph below. Now, to do that, we really just need to get the graph and then we'll figure out the inequality part. But you notice here that I looked at the graph already, you've got it on your paper, and I looked at the coordinates they gave us. And when we're doing this one, you're going to have to write it in standard form, is the easiest way. So I'm going to write on the bottom here, y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. But remember, we're shading above the parabola, so it's probably greater than or equal to at the end. But we'll make a switch later. The first thing is, I need to write three equations with three unknowns. So I have x and y, but I don't know in every equation, I don't know a, I don't know b, I don't know c, but I know x and y. So I'll make some equations here. And I'm going to do it with equal signs, but bear in mind, we're going to then just put the inequality sign at the end. So this is a different x and a different y for a different equation, and this is a different one. So for this one, I'm going to get a, we don't know what it is. We know what x is, it's -1, and we're supposed to square it according to the standard form. Plus b, we don't know what it is, but we're supposed to multiply it by -1. Plus c, we don't know, and that's supposed to equal the y value, which is 5. So this is really the equation 1a minus 1b plus 1c equals 5. Do the same thing here. Well, x is 0 and I'm going to square it, plus b times 0 plus c equals -1. If I simplify that, I'm going to get 0 a's plus 0 b's plus 1 c equals -1. And the last one, I get a 2 squared, because that's the x value, plus b times 2, that's the x value, plus c equals 11. And that gives me 4a plus 2b plus 1c equals 11. So I look at that, I've got 3 equations with 3 unknowns, and that's easy to solve, especially with the matrix. So I'm going to put those in there. I'm going to write it, and this is the matrix I'm going to get. Okay, it's an augmented matrix. If you're doing it, it's going to be, actually I'll take that out here, it should be, okay, it should be a 3 by 4 matrix. Remember how to get to the matrix? You're going to do second x -1, second x to the -1, and then you're going to go to edit to put your matrix in, whichever one, A, B, C, or D, and you're going to do 3 by 4 and enter it in. And so my numbers are going to actually be, if I use the coefficients only, whoops, I'm going to go 1, -1, 1, and then 5. And then I'm going to use these coefficients right here. So 0, 0, 1, -1, and then I'm going to use these coefficients. Okay, and then I'd like to get it in reduced row echelon form, so I'm going to take this one and I'm going to do the RREF. And to do that, just let me make some space here. To do that, to do RREF, you're going to go second matrix again, so a second x to the -1 key. You're going to go in that matrix menu, arrow to math, and then you're going to choose RREF, which I believe is the B key. And when you do that, you'll get the following output. After I did that, I'm going to get this, it looks like this. My answer looks like this. Okay, I get 1A, no B's, no C's. So that's A equals 4. I get no A's, 1B, no C's. I got that basically means B equals -2. No A's, no B's, 1C. That's basically C equals -1. So my final answer then is, I know what these numbers are. 4 goes in here. -2 goes in here. Negative 1 goes in here, and so my answer looks like this. I'll write it in red. Let's do it a different color. Let's do it in purple. So we get y is greater than or equal to 4x squared minus 2x minus 1. And it's greater than or equal to, because it's shading above, it has an equal to sign because the quadratic is dotted. Okay, I'll just stop this and I'll upload it.